Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be discussing the Target Weld tool. The Target Weld tool can be found in the Mesh Tools menu, and this tool lets you merge one vertex or edge with another vertex or edge. It's a tool I use all the time, and it's got a bunch of super helpful use cases. You can access this tool from the Mesh Tools menu up here, or by using the marker menu. When an object is selected, you can hold Shift and the right mouse button and select Target Weld. If you have an edge selected, hold Shift and the right mouse button and then go to Merge Collapse Edges, Target Weld tool. And if you have a vertex selected, Shift and the right mouse button, Merge Vertices, Target Weld tool. And then you just want to click and drag to make a connection, releasing to merge. You can go ahead and select multiple components, such as edges, or in this example, vertices, and merge them into another single point, like so. Another thing which is useful is merging to the center. Just go into the tool's settings, and we can change this setting to center. If merge center is on, a green dot is going to be drawn on the orange line to indicate the center point. When we go ahead and release the mouse, we can see how we now get a vertex in the middle where they've been welded. Let me just go ahead and unhide my other example. An example of when you might use this tool is, for example, when you have two objects which you want to create a topological connection between. My desire is to merge each of these vertices from this mesh into this other mesh. But to do so, note that these need to be combined to work. Select them both, hold Shift and the right mouse button, combine. Now in vertex mode, Shift and the right mouse button, select Merge Vertices, Target Weld tool. Now as we go ahead and weld these up, just make sure the orange line is making the correct connection and pointed in the right direction. So this is looking correct. Merge to center is toggled on, so we're going to create a nice connection nicely in the middle. As you can hopefully see, this tool gives you way more control than the regular Merge Vertices tool. The regular Merge tool has its use cases, but often I find I'm using the Target Weld tool more frequently than not. Be sure to join the Discord server to chat with a great community of fellow modelers, and check out my Gumroad for access to the members only chat and a whole bunch of assets and tools. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit those like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.